letter that is an order you are making on अरे बात तो सुन,
one individual's case.
बात तो सुन,
Can I see that before I can
Yes,
understand the contention?
Yes, I'll come back to
that order you have made applies equally to every person in the same position as Mr. Salman Akram Raja.
I'll come to it.
Which meant every member or every candidate who had filed a nomination paper.
I was actually going like this, but I meant yes. I beg your pardon.
I'm so
I'm sorry.
You're applying the Japanese thing.
Yes, my lord, I apologize.
So that had to apply. If you are a rational decision maker to every person similarly placed to Mr. Salman Akram Raja,
That was a reason
which meant every member of PTI. So you had every candidate, who had filed that form saying I belong to PTI. Now, if that is in the field, you have taken a decision on the basis of certain reasoning, right or wrong. That's for you to tell us. That these people are to be treated as independents. Now, once that is done, things then flow from that. What I was referring to as the cascade.
Yes.
So
I heard that. It's in my notes.
If that decision is correct, there is no cascade. However, if that decision is incorrect, then there is the cascade. Then you are just multiplying error after error. इसको जरा मत.
ठीक है जी. एक सिर्फ मैं सबमिशन.
Can I see? Where is the order?
My lord, let me read this first. I think that's.
चले आप पढ़ें जो आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं.
My lord, मैं पढ़ रहा था. मैंने आपको रूल पहले पढ़ के देना है और फिर मैं आपको रूल की प्रैक्टिकल
98 पे पढ़ दीजिएगा जरा. एक खत है ना, वो पढ़ते हैं. आप जो खत पढ़ रहे हैं उसकी क्लैरिटी हो रही है. पेज 98 के ऊपर एक लेटर है.
मैं पढ़ रहा हूं. So my lord, this letter on page 98
जी जरा देखें किसका
is a practical example of application of 96. Is it before my lord ji? It's addressed to my lord, this is a letter from the current chairman of SIC to the chief election commissioner. It says, notice of statutory declaration, consent of independent candidate for joining Sunni Ittihad Council. Sorry, I can't read the first.
Dear sir से पढ़िए.
Yes, sir. Please take notice that Mr. Sahibzada, I beg your pardon. Mr. Sahibzada Muhammad Hamid Raza, son of Sahibzada Fazil Kareem, resident of so-and-so, who has been declared as returned candidate for the National Assembly constituency NA 104 Faisalabad after contesting and winning the general elections 2024 as an independent candidate on the election symbol of tower, currently serving as, there is an anomaly here, but currently serving as chairman Sunni Ittihad Council, has formally decided to remain affiliated with the Sunni Ittihad Council, hence the formal notice to the ECP for intimation purposes. The formal declaration consent of Mr. Sahibzada Muhammad Hamid Raza for joining the SIC is enclosed herewith, confirming his joining the SIC and undertaking to strictly abide by the party discipline and policy in the assembly and the case of any breach thereof. The SIC may initiate disqualification proceedings against him under Article 63A of the Constitution 1973.
ये साइन कौन कर रही है?
My lord, ये वो खुद साइन कर रहे हैं और
चेयरमैन है.
My lord, मुझे तो एक चीज थोड़ी सी, I mean, I'm not delving into it. I'm just saying that it jumps out at me when I read this that he's the chair. He says, I'm currently chairman of this political party
and joining.
But I contested elections on Tower, had nothing to do with my political, and now I wish to continue my affiliation is the word used.
But his nomination.
And again, my lord.
Just 1 minute. His nomination paper. Form rather.
Have you placed it on record?
I have just brought it, my lord, and I'll give it in.
What did that say?
दिखाएं.
अभी दिखाता हूँ फिर सर ये sir, I beg your pardon, these pages I just received, so the best I could do I have. ये दिखा देता हूँ.
नहीं सिर्फ इनका दिखा दें.
सर
इसी में.
सर ये इन पर्टिकुलर चेयरमैन का है. मैं आपको किसी और का भी दिखा सकता हूँ.
नहीं इनका दिखाइए ना.
ये तो इतना मोटा तो नहीं होगा ना ये.
सर ये पूरा नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म और
सिकंदर ये कल आपको कहा था इलेक्शन कमीशन को टू प्लेस इट ऑन रिकॉर्ड.
जी कल एट द एंड ऑफ द हियरिंग माय लॉर्ड एट 4:30
आई थिंक I assume that Election Commission is efficient enough to have placed it on record before us today.
My lord, I'm giving it in right now. जी मैं all I can say is कि मैं यहाँ से 6 बजे दफ्तर पहुँचा हूँ. ये सारे हमने बुक बाइंड्स किए हैं और
देखा था.
पेज बताइए कौन सा पेज है?
Such.
My lord, these are have you numbered them? That's a great.
There's a number.
Page.
Who's the other young man?
My lord, the other young man is Hamza.
Page 18
And my lord,
से
both of
start
them have
हो
helped me, and I would ask if their assistance may be recorded, ji.
Have they been of assistance to you?
Of great and immense, my lord. I couldn't have done it without them.
Page 18 से मेरा कल start.
Page जी पहले my lord page 18 पे nomination form है and the relevant bit is page 20. My lord, can I ask my colleague, the DG Law, to help me read the Urdu? I beg your pardon.
DG, किधर page?
Page 20. This is what is called the Declaration on Oath of Nominated Candidate.
It is an ID card here.
Page 20.
जी sir.
मेरा ताल्लुक सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस पीटीआई से है.
My lord has read it for me, जी.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस.
But आगे भी देखें क्या लिखा हुआ है. So it says Sunni Ittihad Council, and then in brackets it says Alliance PTI.
I think my booklet has a totally different set.
Oh, I'm very sorry, sir.
You are 20.
I can give my.
ये nomination title दिखाएं nomination paper.
No, it's a totally different.
नहीं इधर लिखा क्या?
And mine also
इसके साथ पेज है मेरे पास. इसके साथ सर्टिफिकेट किसका है?
नहीं, मेरे
वो
पास
आता हूँ सर. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अभी आप देखिए क्या होता क्या है.
एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट का है.
सर अभी ये बता रहा हूँ. Sir, I may be allowed to argue please from
page
my book
44
with my record.
That's okay.
Thank
It's
you,
page
my
24
learned friend.
of this booklet. yeah.
My learned friend, thank you.
उसमें वो सिर्फ नॉमिनेशन आपके लिए कन्वीनियंट.
ठीक. पेज 24 है. जी. करें.
अच्छा, my lord, I think sometime.
पढ़ लें आप.
आपका page 24 is
आप
the
please पढ़ें.
declaration.
We have it with us.
Sir, I have a confusion on the pages. मेरा 20 है.
Doesn't matter. आप 20 से पढ़ें.
टाइटल बता दें क्या है?
टाइटल है नामजद का
नामजद फर्द की तरफ से इकरारनामा और बैन हल्फ.
टाइटल क्या है?
माइक में बोले.
पेज का टाइटल सर
जो पढ़ने बिकॉज नंबरिंग आगे पीछे.
उसका है नामजद.
नामजद फर्द की तरफ से इकरारनामा और बैन हल्फी. ऊपर लिखा. हाँ यही है ऊपर टॉप पे.
हाँ ये मिल गया. हाँ
मिल गया
ये
मुझे.
20 पेज.
My lord, I apologize for
ठीक
this.
है ठीक है. तो क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं आप?
दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जी उन्होंने
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद
उन्होंने कहा कि मैं सुन्नी इत्तेहाद
अलायंस पीटीआई
ब्रैकेट अलायंस. ठीक है सर. अब जाते हैं आगे.
Just on this very point, is there a concept of alliance in the election laws?
Yes, there is. There can be a combination of political parties.
Which provision is that?
215.
I think it's section 215, subsection 2.
2152, sir. That is regulated. This hasn't been. My lord, I may clarify that the ECP has no notice of any alliance.
No, just asking theoretically.
But theoretically, 215.
तो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट बता देना वो जरूरी है ना. अलायंस अगर हो भी.
जी जी.
ठीक है,
I'm just answering the question and अभी मैं सर्टिफिकेट पे आ रहा हूँ.
वो सर्टिफिकेट कौन से पेज?
सर्टिफिकेट पे आते हैं सर. ये
तो आप क्या अलायंस के जरिए तो वो आ सकते थे ना?
नहीं सर.
उन्होंने नहीं फाइल किया.
Sir, alliance if had
नहीं have they
lost-
filed alliance papers?
had a नहीं. If an alliance had, sir, this is completely up in the air, frankly.
No, but I'm just saying the whole problem could have been easily resolved if they had come as an alliance.
Sir, could have to. My Lord the Chief Justice has, I think, mentioned about 4 different things that could have been done, which I wouldn't have been standing here. And they would never.
You may not answer the question posed to you by the chief.
Thank you, sir. Sir, so certificate page 12 पे है sir.
Page
12. मेरा page 12 है. It looks like this because I know the safas are mixed up and I apologize.
ये पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ.
That's right. It is dated the 13th and it is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, but it doesn't finish here, my lord. Then there is a letter on page 11. Because my lord, remember, he himself has said, I won election on Tower.
आगे 11 पे
पेज 11 पे आता है जी.
ये पढ़ दें.
May I ask?
Yes, yes.
Arshad have to read it for me, please.
With the permission of the honorable court, बखिदमत जनाब,
जरा माइक.
बखिदमत जनाब आर.ओ. साहिब, नेशनल असम्बली NA 104 फैसलाबाद, दरख्वास्त बमुराद निशान व इलाट अगर बला नहीं दिया जाता तो शटल कॉक दिया जाए, और जनाब आली गुजारिश है कि अगर साइल को निशान बला नहीं दिया जा सकता है, चूँकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान में अभी केस का फैसला पेंडिंग है, बराए मेहरबानी अगर बेट बहाल होता है तो बला दिया जाए, और अगर बला बहाल नहीं होता तो शटल कॉक दे दिया जाए. अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट बहाल कर देती है तो बला दिया जाए. बजरिए कौंसल चौधरी मोहम्मद इरफान, अथॉरिटी लेटर.
अच्छा सर,
किसकी तरफ से दिया जा रहा है?
Here, sir, it doesn't end here. So he says, give me an independent symbol and I want the symbol of shuttlecock. So shuttlecock was not available. So there is a further order now, my lord.
ये लेटर किसके बिहाफ पे लिखा जा रहा
My lord, वो खुद से लिख रहा है. The candidate chairman of the appellate is writing through his attorney as an authority letter, but this is him. He is seeking this and he is addressing it to the RO.
अगर आप पेज 12 पे आ जाए.
जी.
So doesn't this contradict or doesn't it nullify your statement earlier made where you said that PTI की तरफ से कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया था?
My lord, PTI की तरफ से, PTI का कैंडिडेट का, ये तो SIC के चेयरमैन है जिन्होंने
हमने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा.
बिल्कुल जी.
आपसे सवाल ये पूछा था कि इलेक्शन के टाइम पे जब नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स ये लोग जमा कर रहे थे प्रोसेस में, क्या इन लोगों ने पीटीआई की सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट किया? आपने कहा
मैंने नहीं देखे सर. एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर, दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड. एंड देन आई सेड सर कि मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड से बताऊंगा कि हुआ क्या है, बिकॉज़ देयर हैज बीन 3 डिफरेंट. आई केप्ट ऑन चेंजिंग सेइंग दैट सर कि मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड से बताऊंगा.
हम आपसे दोबारा से
ये सिर्फ इनका आया था या सबका आया था?
माय लॉर्ड, ये बाकी मैं अभी एक और सैंपल दिखा देता हूं. बाकी में ये हुआ है कि उन्होंने उनके फॉर्म में लिखा है पीटीआई, उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट दिया पीटीआई एन का.
वो आप दिखाएंगे तो पता चलेगा ना जी. सारा रिकॉर्ड
उन्होंने
यहाँ पे
इंडिपेंडेंट के तौर पे
रिकॉर्ड दिखाएंगे.
एक मिनट यहाँ पे जरा देख ले.
ये तो कैन आई जस्ट कंप्लीट दिस फॉर
सिकंदर साहब, ये जो सर्टिफिकेट है पीटीआई की तरफ से, ये बावजूद इसके कि चेयरमैन थे सुनीत याद के, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि वहाँ से मैं नहीं लड़ना चाहता हूँ. He opted to contest election on the affiliation certificate of PTI, which was granted.
No, sir.
This is the certificate.
नहीं, because he then immediately withdraws it and said, "मुझे shuttlecock दे."
No, but he wrote why. He said because the case is pending. He gave you an alternate plea.
ये देखिए, ये जो
ये फॉर्म 33 देख लें, इसमें आंसर लिखा हुआ है कि उनको आखिर में क्या मिला. प्लीज
देखिए सर्टिफिकेट
पेज 9
पेज 12 पे जरा देखिए.
जी.
इस पर ये नहीं लिखा हुआ ये किस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लिए. इट इज ब्लैंक
सर. नहीं, ऊपर देखें सर, थोड़ा सा वो फेडेड सा है, बट कंस्टिट्यूएंसी की जगह बनी हुई है और ऊपर कुछ लिखा हुआ है, बट यस आई कैन नॉट रीड इट स्ट्रेट ऑफ द
कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी का नंबर पड़ा हुआ है
सर. उसका 104 था ना सर. तो सर आई कैन रीड 104 हियर. इट सेज 104.
ये तो अब जाहिर हुआ कि सर्टिफिकेट तो मिला था लेकिन इशू सिंबल का था. अब सिंबल के बाद
ये एक माय लॉर्ड आई विल आंसर बिकॉज़ आई नो माय लॉर्ड दिस इज द एक्सेप्शन. ऑल द अदर वंस आर एन टिकट्स.
अदर पे बाद में जाएंगे. पहले तो ये है कि
बिल्कुल ठीक है,
अगर सुन्नी इत्तेहाद का बंदा नहीं है, वो आजाद खड़ा था, और लेकिन पीटीआई के तो एक कैंडिडेट तो आ गया.
सर ठीक है, आप
एक आ गया.
सर इफ माय लॉर्ड वांट्स टू रीड इट एज दैट.
आपने कहा कि एक में सब ज्वाइन करेंगे.
नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं कहा सर. मैंने कहा वो जीतेगा भी आखिर में. वो जीतेगा एक सीट. I keep on emphasizing that he's got to win one seat. Now, my lord, let me just finish this, and I'll give one more sample. And my lord, please allow me this much indulgence that there are 81 alone सिर्फ NA seats. This 81, 85, 86 कहा जाता है. 81 है मेरे मैथ्स के मुताबिक. I have gone on a sample. I am counsel, and I am acting on instructions. And I have been told that this is a representative sample. So please allow me this much as counsel, because I don't want to be seen as having given anything inaccurate.
But Mr. Counsel,
So that goes to the DG law and
पहले आगे बताएं.
sir, page 9
just 1 minute.
my lord, sir.
Now you've shown us the nomination form of this gentleman, in which, as I understand it, he said, I am affiliated with SIC, a registered political party.
That's right.
Then he produced the certificate, the certificate of Tehreek-e-Insaf.
That's right.
And for whatever reason, he said that if the Tehreek-e-Insaf doesn't get the bat, give me the shuttlecock. You ended up giving him the tower.
The tower, because the shuttlecock wasn't available.
Oh, yes,
वो तो minor
yes,
चीज है.
yes, yes. My question to you is, why did you not apply section 67 subsection 2 to him?
A candidate, my lord, because this again brings me to the same 215 है ये.
Kindly पढ़ें से.
जी.
Kindly पढ़िए तो सही.
A candidate nominated by Mr. Chapter 12 खोल दें. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the Commission to that political party under the provisions of Chapter 12 and no other symbol.
So, why didn't you ask this gentleman that, look, you are saying you are nominated by SIC, you are producing a nomination form of PTI, please produce the nomination form of SIC, because that is your that is the party with which on your form you say you are affiliated, because we cannot grant you, and here is a party, the SIC, at that point in time on 13th of January, that could have given him the certificate, presumably.
He was the chairman himself, sir.
Whatever.
Presumably तो नहीं.
Whatever.
He's the chairman.
Whatever. And we cannot give you any other symbol. Why did you accede to his request, contrary to the express provisions
I
of
can,
the law?
in a lighter way,
Just one minute.
I was enforcing his Article 17 rights.
This is a very serious
नहीं, मैं serious answer भी देता हूँ.
that the subsection 2 prohibited you from giving him any other symbol. Why did you not tell him either produce your nomination form doesn't say you don't belong to a political party, it says you belong to SIC. Whether you
Before even I could do that, he came back and said, give me shuttlecock.
But why did you accede to that request?
So, sir, because
Subsection 2
तो मैं
prohibits.
उसको, so I should have disqualified him.
वो लेटर की डेट क्या है जो आपने अभी पढ़ी
prohibits you from doing it.
डेट बताइए.
लेटर की
जिसमें
डेट
उसने कहा है मुझे ऑल्टरनेट में शटलकॉक दे दो.
11 की डेट है जी वो.
ये भी बताइए ना
Sorry, I beg your pardon.
देखिए वकील साहब, जो सवाल इसके अंदर बनता है वो ये है कि you had two political parties before you.
It's 20, sorry जी. It's 20 जी. नहीं 20 नहीं है, वो खत का मैं कह रहा हूँ.
देखिए इसमें सवाल ये बनता है, if you want for the time being to put aside your own order of 2nd of February, सवाल ये बनता है that you had two political parties or two sets of candidates. Here is a gentleman whose form says SIC. You would have said, well, subsection 2 says because SIC could have given. Whether they chose to do that is a different.
Fair enough, sir.
But in the case of the PTI, the problem was that here were candidates nominated by PTI, but they couldn't get that symbol. Why? Because of first your order and then ultimately the judgment of the Supreme Court. The question becomes, you are saying we treat everyone as independent. My question to you is, you did have the power to do something. You could have, if you had chosen. सुन तो ले.
Sir, मेरा मतलब है, I'm understanding my lord's question. I apologize, sir.
I'm sorry.
I'm following what you're saying.